Welcome back to Motor Mood, your go-to destination for high-performance machines and luxury rides. Today, we are diving into the 2025 BMW 8M, BMW's latest evolution of speed, precision, and style. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Design and presence. The 2025 BMW 8M is a head-turner from every angle. With a more aggressive front fascia, re-sculpted air intakes, and a sleeker roofline, it commands attention. BMW has enhanced the signature kidney grille with active shutters and subtle illumination, while the carbon fiber accents add a race-inspired touch. Every line and contour is engineered for aerodynamic efficiency and bold presence. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 8M packs a twin-turbocharged 4.4-litre V8, now pushing out an incredible 670 horsepower. MX Drive all-wheel drive ensures optimal grip, launching this beast from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. With improved suspension tuning and active rear-wheel steering, the 8M offers razor-sharp handling whether you're on a mountain pass or the Autobahn. Interior and technology. Step inside and you're met with BMW's finest craftsmanship. The cabin is wrapped in merino leather, with carbon trim and ambient lighting setting a futuristic tone. The 2025 model introduces BMW's latest iDrive 9 system with a curved display, intuitive voice controls, and seamless connectivity. The M Sport seats are not just supportive, they are sculpted for spirited driving. Driving experience. The 8M is more than numbers on a spec sheet. The exhaust note is thunderous, the steering feedback is precise, and the ride strikes a near-perfect balance between comfort and aggression. Whether in comfort mode or tearing it up in Sport Plus, the 8M adapts with confidence and finesse. Conclusion. The 2025 BMW 8M isn't just a grand tourer, it's a full-blown performance machine wrapped in luxury. For those who crave the thrill of speed without sacrificing refinement, the 8M is the ultimate fusion of both worlds. Stay tuned to Motor Mood for more in-depth reviews. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for the latest in automotive excellence.